Guys, my name is Pravi and welcome to our channel. So in this video, I can going to share you with a total 5 plus high quality, high authoritative, high traffic source websites list where you guys can create your website backlink and you guys can get chances to drive massive the traffic, crawlability and the link authority on your website. Okay, so before I started, I wanted to request you with a one thing, guys. If you guys are new on this channel or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request. You guys can hit the subscribe and like button. So the first website name is longsiceland.com and you guys can see this is a website dashboard. So there is a register button. You guys have to click over there and simply you guys can add your username, password, your email ID. Then you guys are able to access this website dashboard. And once you guys can create your profile, then you guys can see there is a my account button. So from there you guys can access your account details. So you guys can see there now there is a edit profile button. You guys have to click over there and simply you guys can add your all details and your about your company. From there in the website section you guys can add your website URL. If you have a social media handle, so you guys can fill add from there now, and you guys have to add your addresses, cities and your email ID and the landing page. After that you guys can click for the save button. And when once you guys can create these things, then after that you guys can go with your overview section and you guys are able to explore all the things. From there you guys can add your publish your articles, event, video, business listings, local FAQ and the many other things. And once you guys can create a profile, then how you guys can access your profile landing page URL. So I can provide this website this URL, so there you guys can add your username and you guys are able to access your profile landing page. So you guys can see this is my profile and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is slideshare.net and you guys can see this website domain authority is 85 and the spam score is only 3%. So there is a sign up button. You guys have to click over there. And now once you guys can create your profile, then you guys can simply go with your username and there you guys can edit your all details. So in the there section you guys can add your profile picture, your account type, first name, last name, your occupations, your organization's name and your about your company. From there you guys can add your website URL and once you guys can complete all the things, then after that you guys can click for the save button. And then after that you guys can see there is a then again you guys can click to your username so this is your profile landing page URL and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with the next website. So the next website name is conifer.richzone.org and you guys can see there is a sign up button. You guys have to click over there and after that you guys can complete your profile creation process. So from there you guys can add your username, your real name, your email ID. Then after that you guys can fill your password. Then you guys can click for the register button. Once you guys can complete all the things, then you guys can simply go with land on this interface. So there you guys can optimize your all details. From there you guys can optimize your company name. From there you guys can add your website URL and your description. And if you want to add a new thing, so from there you guys can add multiples, your bookmarking and the other things. So this is your landing page URL and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So I can simply refresh it, then I can show you. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. So now we can move forward with our next website. So the next website name is learn.microsoft.com and there is a sign in button. You guys have to click over there and from there you guys can create your Microsoft account, and then you guys are able to access. And for this website you guys can see the domain authority is 99 and the spam score is 11%. But the thing is, this is a very high authoritative website, so simply we can search something. And you guys, once you guys can create a profile, so simply you guys can go with your profile section. From there you guys can optimize your profile details. So what is your profile name and your other details. So simply you guys can go with your settings section, and from there you guys can optimize your profile username, so profile URL and your display name. And after that you guys are able to explore other features. So first you guys have to create your profile on that website. So now we can move forward with our last website. So the last website name is imdb.com, and you guys can see this website domain authority is 95 and the spam score is only 1%, 5%. So there is a sign in button, you guys have to click over there, and you guys have to choose your sign in option. So there is a create a new account button, you guys have to click, and then you guys can add your name, company name, email ID, then password. Then you guys can click for the create your IMDb account. I have already created, so simply I can go with sign in section, sign in option. Then after that you guys can click for the sign in button, and once you guys can complete the profile creation process, then after that you guys can go with your account setting. And from there you guys can see there is a edit profile button, you guys have to click over there. And now you guys can optimize your all details. So this is your user ID, and from the bio section you guys can add your company description. Then after that I can provide you with this URL, so you guys can simply add this code over your description section. So I can simply tell you guys how you guys will to do. So simply I can provide you with you guys this URL HTML code. So from there you guys can add your website URL, and from there you guys can add your targeted keyword. Then after that you guys can paste this code, HTML code, with your description or bios. And after that you guys can click for the save and save description, and you guys are able to view contributions. Okay, it's a different thing. So you guys can see this is your profile landing page URL, and I can show you this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you guys can see it's 100% do follow backlink. There is no any indication for the no follow or no referral. And after that you guys can update your profile picture, and you guys have to read some rating publics, make your ratings publics, and you guys have to write some reviews for the other companies. Then after that your profile is make authority. Okay, so I have shared with you guys total 5 high authority high quality websites, so where you guys can create your website backlink, your business backlink. And if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can want to connect with me personally, any kind of service project and suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. And for the last, I wanted to request you with one thing guys. If you guys are new on this channel, or if you guys are haven't subscribed this channel, so it's a humble request, you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys can help something from my side. Okay, so bye bye and take care.